Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. This is the fifth and the last class of the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence, basically from GPSTR biology syllabus, but it is very much useful for hstr CB method and TET aspirants also. Okay, because as you all know, now TET syllabus is not the same as earlier, and hstr syllabus is also next level syllabus, so that's why these type of topics become very much important for these entrance exams also. Actually, we have almost completed this syllabus in our previous 4 classes. Now in this present class, we will discuss few more important topics like balanced diet and reproductive health. Then after that, we will see the expected questions and answers, and also we will see the previous year questions and answers from both CB and PM method question papers. And then we will also discuss the blueprint for this chapter. Okay, both for PM and CB method. Meanwhile, you all should subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Like our video if you are liking our work, and share it among other aspirants who are wishing to write GPSTR, hstr and TET. Also, we have a Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel, and we have also created a WhatsApp channel now. So you can join WhatsApp channel also to stay in touch with us for all future updates related to Karnataka teacher recruitment exams. Okay. Now in this Telegram channel only we had conducted a poll where aspirants polled for demo classes for GPSTR biology. So these series of classes of this chapter for reaching the age of adolescence are all part of demo classes for GPSTR. So if you are willing to join our GPSTR maths and science classes, then you can contact us by writing mail to Atahar TET courses@gmail.com, or you can also text us a message in WhatsApp to the number 911-055-8369. We also have a hstr PM method classes, hstr CB method classes, and TET classes also. So for all the details, you can contact us, or you can see the details in the description below this video also. Okay, and don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. So the link of WhatsApp channel also will be given in the description below this video. In the previous class, we were talking about how to maintain the reproductive health, right? Now let's see one by one in detail. What is this balanced diet? This is actually a diet in which we take all proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins. Okay, all these are gone into our body in required proportions. We call it as a balanced diet. For example, our Indian meal is the best example of a balanced diet because it is having dal, roti, rice, vegetables, everything is there in the plate, right? So that is the best balanced diet. Coming to infants, mother's milk. It is also a best example of a balanced diet because mother has all these food, right? So the milk of the mother will also have all the nutrients coming from this food. That's why for infants, mother's milk is a best balanced diet. That's why doctors always keep saying to the mothers to feed the children with the mother's milk. Okay, if there is a emergency, and if there is a situation where the mother cannot feed the baby with the milk, then that is a different scenario, but usually it is the best thing to give the mother's milk to the infants. Okay, next comes why should actually the adolescents take balanced diet? Because during adolescence only there is sudden rapid growth and development in the body. Okay, so some children, they suddenly grow, right? And I'm not telling that they will grow overnight, but they will grow in very short time of period. Like suddenly the clothes, they are getting smaller to your children. So that is the situation happening in adolescence. That's why balanced diet should be taken in adolescence, which is including nutrients, vitamins, minerals, which are all needed for the good growth of the body. And unfortunately, children in adolescence, they have all sorts of junk food nowadays, but that is not good for the body. So we should not eat junk food, and it does not have all nutrients, and simply they make us obese or they make us fat. Next is, why should we maintain personal hygiene? See, maintaining personal hygiene means we are having bath daily, keeping all parts of our body clean. Then maintaining the personal hygiene to prevent bacterial infection. For example, skin infections are there, no? There are so many types of bacteria which are entering through a cut or a crack in the skin. So the skin infection happen. So in this situation, girls should take more care of cleanliness, especially during the time of menstrual cycle, correct? So they should keep track of their menstrual cycle, and they need to be prepared with the onset of the menstruation. Okay, see, actually this chapter is taught in the high school, because that is the right time for children to know about all this. Okay, but because we are writing this exam, we have the syllabus of high school, and some of the syllabus is from PUC. They have given this chapter to us. Okay, we already know all this, how to maintain reproductive health and all this, but because you are going to be the teachers in future, you will have to teach all this in high school to your children in the class. Okay, so it becomes very important, because especially in India, people do not talk about all this. People become uncomfortable talking all this, but it is very much needed for good health of a person. Okay. And last but very important point, we should say no to drugs. Why? Because it is very simple. See, drugs are addictive. Once if you have them, then it becomes habit of having them again and again, and they get addicted to this. And because drugs are very bad for health, not only mental but also physical, and it literally spoils the health of a person, we should say no to the drugs. Okay. So this was all about this chapter. I have tried my best in covering all the important topics. Okay. Now let us discuss government model paper questions first. The question is, list out the functions performed by adrenaline. So adrenaline means which is the gland which releases this hormone. It is adrenal gland. And where is it situated? Right above the kidney. And what does it do? It changes the shape throughout life, and it shrinks as the person grows older. It is called as fight or flight hormone, because it is the hormone which functions in the emergency situation, and it also maintains the salt and pH balance in our body. Okay, 3 marks question, very easy, very simple. Once you understand all the endocrine glands and their hormones, you are ready to answer all this type of questions. Okay. Next, PM method question paper question. The part in the male reproductive organ where the sperms are produced, it is testis. Next question. Name the hormones in humans that regulate blood sugar level, growth, puberty related characters in boys. See the list of the hormones. I have already told you, right? So blood sugar level, it is pancreas which produce insulin. Growth, pituitary gland. The name of the hormone is growth hormone. Then puberty related characters in boys, it is testosterone. Okay. So this many questions I got from model paper and GPSTR 2022. So let us see the blueprint. See, for PM method I got 1 MCQ. For CV method I got 1 3 mark question. So expected is 1 to 3 marks for PM and 3 to 4 marks for CV. But we cannot neglect this chapter because it is directly related to our body. I am expecting 1 question both for PM and CV method question papers. Either it can be a 1 mark or a 3 mark, or never know, they can ask as a 4 mark question also. Okay. So this was all about this chapter. I really hope that I have done justice to this chapter, because this is a little different chapter. I have tried my best to give you all important information related to this chapter from the exam point of view. Okay. Okay friends, this was all about the GPSTR science chapter, specifically the biology chapter, reaching the age of adolescence, and we really hope that these classes help you. Thank you. All the best. Bye.